Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is nutrition for nurses, and today we are going to discuss about naturopathy. This is also known as naturopathy diet. Now we are living in this nature, and each and every individual will have different kind of health issues. Now nature has got a power to heal these disease conditions, or else what to say that individual has got their own power to overcome with certain kind of disease factors. Now naturopathy diet means it is a diet which is derived from the direct source of nature, like we are taking a raw fruits, raw vegetables from the nature. Now naturopathy diet, it is free from the pesticides, preservatives, coloring substance, or any taste making a substance. It's free from all kind of these chemical factors. A very important component in naturopathy or naturopathy diet is these foods are preferred to eat and raw, mainly of fruits, all kind of fruits, and some of the vegetables like carrot, cucumber, tomato, like that. Okay, in case when we use vegetables, these vegetables are cooked and used. Also, in naturopathy diet, less oil, less salt, and less fats are used. We have to keep in consideration that we are not making much use of all these fat, spices, and sodium or oil. Nothing. We are not using in much quantity. Now, this naturopathy diet is also free from strong aroma and using excess of condiments or spices. It's not included in naturopathy diet. Now, totally naturopathy diet which help the individual to heal their disease condition with the capacity of innate ability of an individual. So, these natural food items which boost their immunity, which boost their nutritional requirement. Now, when we prepare this naturopathy diet, we need to keep in consideration that most of the foods are available in nature. Mainly, even if you include the drinking foods like water, tender coconut water, sugarcane water, see, these all things are available in the nature and directly we are drinking. Please note, there is no animal based food, animal like non-vegetarian food which included in this naturopathy diet, like egg, fish, meat, milk. Yeah, some extent we can individual can drink milk, but usually non-vegetarian food, if it is not included in this naturopathy, that must be considered. Now, what are the important treatment method of naturopathy? Now here naturopathy work on five important principles. First is do not harm anyone. Then use the healing power of nature and rejuvenate of the body and mind. I am using my body and mind natural power to heal the diseases. Identified and treat the causes. We need to identify what's the disease condition and treat that cause. Treat the whole person, not the particular deceased elements. We need to consider individual as a whole person and we have to treat them. We are not considering their only that particular problems. Now, work on the disease prevention and promotion of health. This is a five important principle of naturopathy. Do not harm, treat the person as a whole individual, not only the particular elements, and work on the principle of prevention of disease and promotion of optimum health, and use a healing power so that individual's body and mind is capable to do the healing process of an individual disease, and also identify and treat the causes. So this is the five principle of naturopathy. Now next is method used in naturopathy. What all the different methods are used? One is treatment is based on the nutrition and diet. Now we need to consider the individual nutrition requirement and providing the food accordingly. Now here we are giving importance to the nutrients elements which present in the food, and we are supplying a raw food materials so that whole elements of nutrients we are able to consume, because when we wash it thoroughly in the water. When you cooked it with the excessive amount of water and drained out, there is a chance that lot of vitamins minerals are lost. But here when you're eating raw, that will facilitate us to get all kind of nutrient amount what present in that, we are able to get it to our body. Now using some spices or condiments to as a part of disease, like garlic can be used, turmeric can be used to improve the immune system, or act as an antibody in the body. So such kind of elements are used in our food system. Then detoxification. Now here during that whole day, whatever days, we are doing a number of days of fasting, so number of hours of fasting, that will help to bring the toxic substance out from our body. So detoxification occur in body naturally when we are doing the fasting or starving our body. Then manual healing of method. Now here we can use massage, acupuncture, aromatherapy, so that manually we are help the person to heal their disease process. Using relaxation techniques, we are advise them to use mental relaxation, yoga, meditation. Now that will help to get relaxed and overcome with the problem. Now hydrotherapy. Now hydrotherapy means we are using water to treat certain kind of diseases, so that also comes under naturopathy. Now we can also use some herbal medicines what is available in a kitchen garden. Such herbal plants are used to treat some of the diseases. For example, now when you have a cough or irritation in throat, you are taking honey with the pepper powder, so that will help you to feel better. Now you are drinking a boiled water which has put little of tulsi and pepper seeds, so that will help you to feel much better. So such kind of herbal medicines we are using so that we are able to improve our health. So these are the important methods of naturopathy, like treatment based on the nutrient and nutrition requirement and diet, hydrotherapy, herbal medicines, using manual healing methods like acupuncture, aromatherapy and massage, yoga, meditation, and doing exercise and relaxation therapy. So this is all together about naturopathy diet. I hope you understood. Definitely you can expect 2-3 marks question on that, then definitely you can write all these answers. So dear students, see you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.